Hi, I'm Nishad, and this is Mehool, and we're gonna here present you a digital prototype for a study assistant app named Study Bro, which is really designed for a persona that is a high school kid named Nick, and this is set up on a iOS device. The user is gonna open the app Study Bro, and it's gonna show the screen for the home page, which says "Welcome back, Nick," the user, and the user is gonna click the start button. Then it's gonna go over to the daily challenges page where there are daily quizzes which unlocks daily until the user finally reaches the treasure box. Then the user can select the time and duration for the quiz. If the user selects 5 minutes, the MCQs are gonna keep on coming for 5 minutes, then it's gonna end. And after this, my friend Mehul is gonna continue the prototype presentation.
And then Nick is going to select the topic which he wants to attempt for the quiz. Either it is arithmetic or number, and then he's going to click the start quiz button. And then after that, there will be some few questions regarding the quiz according to the topic will be coming up for 5 minutes, which we have set the timer. And he's going to answer those questions. And if he performs well in that quiz, so he's gonna earn +1 streak and +3 strength points in this app. And after that, these streaks and strength will help him for the weekly ranks among his friends. And as now we can see that Nick has been ranked second position, and that's how our prototype for the persona of school child Nick looks like. And thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you.